Welcome back to Broken and Smoking once again. Thank you all for subscribing and following. It seems like it's been going up on a steady incline, and I really do appreciate it. Today, what we're going to start on is the disassembly of the hard parts and the rebuild start on the Th400. And I got my oldest daughter here, Whitley. You want to say hi?
Hi.
She's probably going to be doing the majority of the work. So let's get started. First, what we're going to be doing is eliminating the rear thrust bearings and putting in a Turbo 350 thrust bearing to replace the thrust washers. But before I start all this, I want you to know I am not no expert. Yes, I have gone through these and I have made mistakes. I go back and I redo it and I learn from those mistakes. Just don't be scared of it. So I am going to be referencing somebody. His name is My Transmissions on YouTube, and this is what his home page looks like. He's pretty well detailed, he's understandable, and he don't hem-haw around, I guess you could say, like I would be. So I'm going to be referencing this guy throughout this procedure to make sure I don't make a mistake and to refresh my memory from the past that I've done them. Because, like I said, it's been a while, and I'm no guru, but I'm not scared to try it neither. With that being said, I'm going to be overlooking my daughter as she's doing the majority of this work. So here she is. How old are you?
12.
12 years old. Fixing to get her hands dirty for the first time, doing her first transmission. And of course, Lady Liberty. First step we're doing, we're rollarizing this case. And the bushings look good. So I'm not going to take the time to change them out, because it's me. You want to look at it? Come here and show them. See how good it looks?
Oh yeah.
Clean or anything wore out. Get down in there as best you can. It's hard to see with the camera, but yeah, it's been replaced. And to rollerize it, you gotta push that in. Remember that guy pushing it in?
Mm-hmm.
And you gotta leave it up. Feel it on the other side.
Yeah.
What that does, it entraps and it contains that 350 pump thrust bearing.
So it all fits together like a puzzle piece.
Yeah, big puzzle piece.
3D.
3D. Oh, and check out the new stand since we got it all painted up. Took the bolts, got them with the die where it's threaded all the way up. There and here. Works out pretty good. All right, first thing we got to do with is measure. So come here and hold this. We got to measure the original thrust washers. So that's 150 That's 180. So what's 180 minus 150?
180 minus 150 equals 30.
So we're gonna take 30 thousandths out of it. So we're gonna take these in-place shims and find something 30 thousandths. That looks like 20. It's 145. $150. And the original one was 150.
So that way they can be equal.
Yep. Now, I'll give this to you. See the shim? We'll go ahead and set that down in the case. Is it catching that lip?
Yes.
Shim needs to be on the other side.
Like flip it.
No, just take the roller bearing out. Put it underneath it.
Like this?
Yep. Let's see. I might have to drive it out some more.
So what does that do?
Drive that bushing further down so we can
Get it in there?
feel that lip that's in there deeper.
Yes.
See how it contains it there?
Oh yeah, that's better.
Seal it.
Yeah, even time difference.
Now, you don't want it so high that it's above your roller, but you want it high enough to locate it like that. Just don't bump into it. It might go wowza.
Might not be the safest, but it works.
All right, guys. I apologize for not getting the rest of this on camera. It was just time was running out. The GoPro batteries kept running down quicker than I could recharge them. I was swapping in my phone on top of the sequence, of trying to get everything recorded as they was dying. And I got lazy. I got tired of swapping things around. And anywho, we got everything done. But the only thing you really missed was the valve body and the front pump rebuild. I think that's right. Of course, everything I think I had time lapsed. But if you're looking for anything in particular, go check out My Transmission. He has all the details and the how-tos on just about any transmission that you want to work on, from what I can tell. Let's see. Trying to think if I've forgot anything, but I honestly don't remember. Done slipped since then. I know I replaced the solenoid valve. Oh, I know why. Another reason why I didn't record. I ordered my parts and I didn't get them all in. That was one reason. You know how it is in today's world. You order stuff and never get it. So you got to do what you can do with what you got at the time, you know what I mean? So I guess the next process we're going to do is rearrange some stuff around and get ready to hook that up to the old big block, drop the stall down in it, get it back in old Lady Liberty. The ex-wife is wanting to get the bed rhino line, so we need to hurry up and get that at least carbureted for now. Get that into an appointment shop. Get an appointment in a shop to get the bed rhino line. Or line decks, whatever route she's going with. Well, guess that's all for now. I appreciate each and every one of y'all subscribing. It's still amazing to me and my family how quick this channel is growing. And not only me, but my family especially, we're all very, very appreciative of each and every one of y'all. See y'all later.